I'm unemployed for about a year, applying to 100 jobs a day, but why not check out this awesome bird? Whoa, that's the TikTok bird. That's what it's called. I choose you, TikTok bird, to lead the way of us finding jobs in this crazy, lunatic, insane world. You decide whether we get jobs or not. Because you decide you want to sit there and be a bird, the TikTok bird. If that's what you decide you want to be, you're very majestic. Maybe you can find us a job. And it's just standing there. Because it knows it's the TikTok bird. It's the bird that everyone loves. Maybe this bird will help us all get jobs. Who knows, right?